No, Peter, please, please. You need to hear the truth from me. I went on that boat to try and find Dennis. It's because of him that Bobby was in trouble. I wanted to talk to him. I wanted to confront him, shout at him, shake him. When I found him, he was drunk. And it was obvious that anything I said to him wasn't going to make him say sorry, so I left him.
That's it. You left him. Then why not say something before?
Because I was one of the last people to see him alive.
So why tell Bex not to say anything to Sharon about it?
Because I know what it's like. Peter, I know what it's like to lose a child. I know what it's like to have people talk about them. Dennis was drunk and he got himself locked below deck, okay? I managed to get to him. Okay, I smashed the door. I got him out of the room. And then it was too late, okay? If I could have done better, if I could have tried harder, I would have given my life to save his.